Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my realistic people, it has happened again. Today is the day. And believe me, the purpose you have me here is to bring the world closer to your doorstep. You know now, progress news is here for you. So, my realistic people, a lot of things happened, and you got the updates from this particular platform, and now I am here to touchlight the key point. You guys remember this Eze, where he made a declaration about what is going on in Lagos State concerning the Igbos, burning of the market, and so many other things that happened. And it happens that the Eze could not bear it, and he said, oh, Igbos in Lagos, they are going to sit at home. If possible, he's going to invite the IPOB so that they will work together as team. And he also makes statements saying that they are going to have their own security men on ground in every market or any shade or any environment concerning the Igbo's trade, because of what normally happened to them. Early last month, that is the month of March, is a very tough month for the Igbos that sells car parts in Lagos State. You know what happened? The market got burnt. Nobody knows the source of the fire, and so many others. So a lot of them, as I'm talking to you, they are homeless, jobless, moneyless, firstless, mentioned but few. So as the thing is going right now, you will agree with me that those people that lost their shop, their business, their money, billions of money, okay, from the burnt of that particular shop, you dey tell me now say those people, they are not sitting at home. Those people, they sit at home. Do you know the gravity or the force of what these persons are passing through right from the day that their shop got burnt? When persons say sit at home, you start to dey run your mouth, you dey talk why they go sit at home, why they go sit at home. My question now be say, the people when they burn their shop now, where they dey? Are they sitting in the moon or swimming in the pool? Not be sit at home, they don dey already. So when this type of thing happen and somebody say sit at home, and you start to dey complain say why they go say make they sit at home, na what for you? When the people that don't even have shop anymore, nothing to hold on to, what are they going to do in the market? The stores got burnt, everything burnt to ashes. Are they not sitting at home already? And this Igwe came and said, oh, they are going to sit at home 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 days. He just said it out of his own concern for his people. And believe me, it did not go well at all. The main target against him was that, why did he mention sit at home? According to those know it all, they said because Simon Ekpa always says sit at home, those people selling in Lagos or those people that their store got burnt to sit at home, and this Igwe support Simon Ekpa to say sit at home, that means he's working hand in hand with Simon Ekpa. Aside that, according to the Ndigbo and so many others again, they said, why must you involve IPOB? Why will you even think of mentioning the name of IPOB? For that, you have yourself to blame. As I am talking to you right now, this Igwe has been arrested by the security force. DSS don't move him since 2 days ago. He's still there right now as I'm talking with you. And the Igwes, the partners, the combined force that are living in Lagos together with him, they said they don't have anything to do with him because he drive rough by involving IPOB and by pronouncing sit at home. That this Igwe did not know that anybody that pronounce sit at home or IPOB is enemy to Nigeria government. So if you are involving IPOB, that means you are bringing more calamity to those people living in Lagos. So my realistic people, is it true? But the point is, the Igbos that are living in Lagos or the Eze, they've distanced themselves from him, saying he is on his own because he made that pronouncement by himself and he should carry his cross. Do you know that due to this effect or due to the pronouncement of this Igwe, the governor of Lagos State finally abolished all Eze Ndigbo titles in the state with immediate effect. He warned all Lagos State local government chairmen to be at alert that anybody that carry that title again, anybody that come to Lagos State to come and do Ndigbo, he said that they should move the person subito, fast. They should discharge the person from that place. And you know what that means. All this is because of what the Eze said. According to the people of Lagos, or according to the Yorubas living in Lagos, that the Igbos want to take over their land from them. So the Lagos State finally issued this, that they don't want to hear any gathering. They don't even want to see. They don't want to hear anybody say, oh, I have title in Igbo. I am Eze. I'm Eze Ndigbo. I am this, I am that. He said they don't want to hear it at all. They don't even want to sit there with this, their attire. He said if they see any of them gathering saying that this one is the Igwe of Lagos State, this one is Igwe of this, of that, of this, say that they should move the person subito, that the chance they are giving to them in Lagos State is getting out of hand. But my question here now is that, why is it that the rest Igwes, they deny this man woefully? They distance themselves from him, that they don't know him, they don't know who he's working for. He's not fighting for the common Igbo man. He's not fighting for those people that their land, that their store got burnt, that he's fighting for himself self, that he have his own agenda with the IPOB people. But you will be surprised that this man is not even in support of IPOB. Yes, it's possible. He might just make his own normal statement just like any other person. For him to say he is going to involve the IPOB, do you think that he said he's going to involve IPOB for something negative? He is thinking he will involve the IPOB for something positive, because for him, he knows very well that IPOB members, they do not believe in one Nigeria. So for him to make the statement that he's going to involve the IPOB, it might be that he said it because he wants peace among the Igbos. He wants the IPOB to be peaceful, to live in Nigeria, because for him to involve them, he never said that, oh, we are going to involve the IPOB for us to go and get our Biafra. But he said you have to involve the IPOB in this. They have to make sure they work together in Nigeria. So have you think about the positive statement or the positive side of this Igwe making statement? We only think about the negative because our heart is corrupt. So my Kabbalistic people, I say let me bring the latest update to you that the Igwe that supports it at home or that declares it at home in Lagos State, not that the sit at home has even happened, is arrested already, and the governor of Lagos State abolish anything of Ndigbo from Lagos State. So what is your take on it? Please do want to drop your opinion in the comment section. Please share this video and subscribe. Bye.